dark inner thighs? Every woman have dark under thighs. You have dark thighs. I'm going to show you how to clear your dark inner thigh with just a simple routine, and your dark inner thighs will be gone. Every woman have dark inner thighs, especially with the chubby ladies, because our thighs always rub together. Now I'm going to be giving you a full routine of how you can target your dark inner thighs, and trust me, in no time they would be gone. Hi, my name is Mel's Beauty, and you are welcome to my channel, to my page. Follow, like, and subscribe for more. So we're going to start out very strong. The first thing we're going to do, if you have dark inner thighs, we're going to use a lightening soap. So if you have dark inner thighs, the first thing you need to do for these thighs is to get lightening soap. Now this is kojic acid soap, and this is the Hyperpigmentation soap. Now these two soaps actually are very good. This soap helps to suit this area of your dark thigh, and it's going to help to lighten up the skin with pigment lightening soap. So if you have dark inner thighs, the first thing to do is to use a brightening soap. I'm going to be showing you how to use kojic sand to target your dark inner thighs. So I'm going to use this soap as an example. We're not just going to be using this to bath. We're going to be using kojic sand as a mask. You heard me. We're going to be using kojic sand as a mask. You lather it this way. Guys, can you see? Now, when you apply the soap on the area, it should be white like this. Allow it to stay on your skin every 15 minutes a day. If you do this for at least a month, that dark inner thighs is going to get lightening. Guys, can you see? You rinse it off. Lemon, sugar, and coffee, we're going to be using it to lighten our dark inner thighs. You heard me? We're going to be using lemon. Now this is lemon. You can use lemon or lime. So we're going to use this to lighten our dark inner thighs. We're going to be using just 3 ingredients to lighten your dark thighs. So this is lemon. Then we have our coffee. We have our sugar. Or you get a coffee scrub, guys. You just do this 3 times a week, and I think it's okay. Next step is to use aboniki. Yes, you can use aboniki for your dark inner thighs. Oh, sorry, I meant the ordinary glycolic acid. Glycolic acid is a very strong concentrated lightening agent. It can be too harsh for your legs. So what I do is that I try to dissolve my glycolic acid in my rose water, and I mix them together, because glycolic acid can be a bit harsh. But if you have a stubborn skin, you can use the glycolic acid directly on your tiles. So this is what we are going to do. We're going to first go in with our rose water and glycerin. You know, when it comes to treating hyperpigmentation, you need hydration. Yes, you need hydration, especially if you're going to layer a lightening agent on that place. They're going to layer a lightening or a strong cream. That's why most people, when they're trying to treat your dark inner thigh, you're having more stretch mark. It's getting more red because you're not doing it properly. You cannot be telling me that you're trying to treat your stretch mark, and yet it's getting more red, it's getting more inflamed. Dark thighs, they are stubborn. Sometimes it goes and comes. Because I have dark thighs like 3 times in a year, and I treat it. When you found the hack, it's going to be like this. So try to be gentle with your dark thighs. So that's why I said the next step is using a rose water and glycerin. So this is what I use: a rose water and a glycerin. So first of all, prep the area. Then go in with the ordinary glycolic acid. You need to clean the area. Next thing to do is apply lightening creams. So this is hydroquinone. This is also hydroquinone. First of all, apply a brightening toner. Oh my god, see what we are applying on our skin. Oh. See my hydroquinone. Oh my god. We're going to be using pigment lighteners. So we're going to use, this is hydroquinone. You use this 3 times a week, or you use Kojic White Ultra. But this is not that strong, so I really suggest you use melanophrine retinol gel. So how to use this is you use this 3 times a week. You cannot use this with the ordinary glycolic acid, it's going to burn you. So you use this on any other days. You can use this twice a week. After this, you apply a soothing cream. You use this and this here. You can mix it together like this. Put this one like this. And you go in with a moisturizer. You take your body butter, just a drop together. Baptize. Go in with your vitamin E oil or any oil that you have. I like to go in with vitamin E oil. You can go in with vitamin E oil. You can go in with olive oil. You can go in with bio oil. So you see bio oil for stretch mark, it works. Like, see, I finished my bio oil. So bio oil works for stretch mark. Okay, it works so well. And you see, people even have dark ties and stretch mark on the same lap. So I'm going to teach you how to use bio oil to help to clear that dark ties. It works, guys. You know, see, I've been using it. I'm a thick girl, so I always have dark ties like mad. So this is what I used.